My name is Heidi Christensen and I'm a research associate. I chose engineering over maths and physics because I quite like the idea of when you're an engineer you kind of see projects sort of completed and it's a bit more hands-on. Our first year in engineering was a basis year, so I actually imagined doing civil engineering, building bridges. But eventually we were kind of shown around the different departments and I got very interested in electrical engineering and I liked the programming part of it. I also like that you can kind of help people quite a lot with engineering. So I think, especially for women, they quite like to be doing careers where you help people, but actually lots of people don't realize that when you're an engineer, you solve big problems for people, either it's building bridges or it's making good software or things like this. So I feel like I am helping people and doing good stuff for the world and that kind of stuff. TV on, off. Guide. So I'm quite interested in seeing how I can use speech technology to help people in general, and especially people with severe physical handicaps who often find it difficult to use their hands. Off, back, undo, exit, menu. They will be able to use their voice to give commands to the system, and the system will then, for example, operate their curtains or their doors or turn the television on, off, and very, very simple things that are very easy for you and I, but for them it can just be very difficult, and it's things where they would normally have to call a family member or a carer, and it just gives them a bit more control over their lives. Don't be put off by this sort of image. Don't be put off if any of your friends or family members tell you, oh no, that's not a good job and shouldn't you be doing medicine or other things like this. Think about all the great things out in the world that are done by and achieved by engineers and how you can really make a difference, and the world really needs some female engineers.